Okay, video number 2 for my nephew's go-kart. As you probably have seen in the first one, if not, go back and check it. I'm building my nephew an electric go-kart. He likes the Tesla Cybertruck, so that is what I am modeling it after. I will do this in one certain way, but I will also describe another way you may be able to do this, just in case not everybody has what I have access to.
The method I'm showing you here, I'm using a projector. I got this projector because it does not do a 16:9 aspect ratio, so they're fairly easy to find and actually fairly inexpensive because everybody wants the latest and greatest. All I did was pin up a piece of paper onto the wall, got the picture I wanted, put it up against the piece of paper, and basically trace the shape I want. Um, this way, it's very easy if you have a specific size that you want to do, as I have a specific length I want to make the go-kart between each wheel, so I basically made the picture fit that size. Tracing it, all the lines that you need, nice and easy. The other method of doing this is you use a program called Posterizer. I have used Posterizer before. It's a little more difficult than this because you actually have to figure out what size you would like to make the image. It takes a little bit of math and it's a little harder than this. This is easier because you measure the wheelbase and you just bring the picture to the size of the wheelbase you want, trace it out, and then you're done. So, like I said, Posterizer is the second way of doing it. If you're really in a pinch, you can do it with it. It's no fun. I've done a 34 Ford that way. This is a heck of a lot easier, and as I stated, I've seen inexpensive projectors on eBay. It's just a lot easier this way. You don't need anything crazy. Alright guys, hopefully this helps.